What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Almightywilson back at it with another video. Today we're gonna be playing Life is Strange episode 3. So let's get it, let's go. Hope y'all enjoyed episode 2 and let's get started. Hope y'all make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe.
Once upon a time,
Let's go.
in a wild world, there were two wolf brothers living in their home there with their papa wolf. They all lived happily together, but one day, hunters took their dad away. Forever. So now the brothers were alone. And they had to find a new home. That's when the big brother discovered that the little one was not an ordinary wolf, but a super wolf.
Super.
And then they worked together to learn how to use his power and to follow the rules for them. They discovered a secret hideout where they could train day and night. They were happy. But the little wolf got very sick, so they had to move on. On the way, a deadly predator attacked them. But the little one destroyed it using his power. They decided to journey to the home of their nearby ancestors to seek help. Finally, the tired and hungry brothers made it to the home of their ancestors. The old wolves invited them to stay. They even took care of them. They were happy to have a safe, warm place to rest. The little wolf even made friends with a raccoon, and together they went on awesome adventures. Unfortunately, hunters were hot on their trail
This dialogue
and
fire.
found them. But the tiny raccoon helped the brothers escape and almost got hurt. The brothers had nowhere to stay again, so they decided to keep going south to the distant homeland of their papa wolf. No way, you little shit.
Daniel, get your ass over here now.
3 months
He's
before
so
the incident.
busted. So much bullshit. But I got phone and party bills now.
Ha. Let's open the nightstand. Let's look around a little bit.
Man, Dad would fucking kill me if he found this. So he better not find it. Of course. Like I want to play fucking hide and seek. Man, my brother's a little player. Lila loves it.
Find Daniel.
Oh, no time for this. Where are you?
You little shit.
Maybe he's invisible now? Sorry, Andrew. I'm the free babysitter now. Whoa, hold on.
Let go! Stop it!
Dude, I told you to stay out of my room.
Ow! That hurt!
Yeah, I'm not fucking around anymore. Got it? Do you hear me, Daniel? You shall not enter your brother's room. Watch out, man.
You started it, dickhead!
What is this crap? Are you fighting again?
You proud of yourself?
Stop it!
Enough! Getting tired of this. Sean, what happened? Now!
We were just goofing around, Dad. Swear.
He started it! He always gets mad
He's
at
totally lying. You little...
Enough! You both better listen because I'm tired of this crap, okay? This is my house too, not your playground. You hear me? Jeez. You guys are working my last nerve this week. You okay, mijo? I'm going to talk with your brother. You know the drill. Bedroom and no games.
I didn't do anything.
Uh-huh. Let's talk.
Ugh,
Now.
This is so stupid. It's bullshit.
Okay. You really taught that book a lesson. Done?
Whatever. Like you're gonna believe me. Daniel's always right.
Look. Please? Listen, Sean. I can't do this on my own. I can't. I need you to help me. I know you don't want to babysit Daniel. You grow up, you need space, more freedom. I get it. But we're a trio now, and you gotta take some responsibility. That little shit is just a kid. You're almost an adult.
I know that. And I do look out for him. I swear. But he's a little brat.
So were you. And you had 8 years of being spoiled before you had to share toys with your little brother. I know it might sound cheesy, but we have to be good role models for him. He's a Diaz, right?
Okay, I hear you. I'll try to be super, bro.
Just try to be there for him.
Facts.
Like you are now. Says mi hijo. I'm late for work. Go talk to your brother and work this drama out. We'll go to the movies tonight if you guys don't wreck the house. I know you love to hear this. But I'm proud of you. Both of you.
Okay. Get back to work.
See you tonight, kids. Be nice and don't break anything else.
Need to put on the patch I bought last week.
The patch is right here.
Scored it at the skate park last week. Now I need to sew it on. How did I get Lila to talk me into this shit? Looking kind of lame. Swipe left.
Just knock on the door.
Can I come in? It's the big, bad brother.
No! Stay out! I said no! Get out! Whatever. I'm not listening. La 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 la. I don't
Come
hear
on, dude.
anything. La la la.
Hey, Daniel.
Leave me alone.
Come on. Oh, you kept this guy. We got him from that creepy circus, remember? You wanted him so bad. Got him for you shooting at that freaking target.
Yeah, right. Dad aimed the gun.
So
Tuh.
what? You still won. Because of me.
Leave me alone. And don't touch my stuff.
Oh, I forgot about Bobby the Yeti. I brought it back from that field trip to Vancouver. I mean, who does that? Other than a super cool big brother.
Ah, he's right, Daniel. You should totally forgive him.
See? I'm not saying it. Bobby does.
Why are you still here? Sean, I'm gonna tell on you. I mean,
Hey, that's cool. Did you make it?
Be careful.
Whoa,
it's fragile.
no problem. Suddenly you're Mr. Careful. Okay if I sit down?
Jesus Christ.
So, when did you get this?
Last month, Dad said I should learn to do stuff by myself. Since you're not around as much.
Hey, come on. It's not like I'm leaving home.
You might as well. I never see you. We don't even play games anymore. We don't do anything.
Daniel, I want to hang out with my friends sometimes. You're gonna be doing the same thing in a couple of years.
Hi. I don't want to grow up. It's boring.
Fact.
Here. Sorry I took it.
That's what you wanted? That stupid watch?
You said you'd give me one. At the thrift store last week. But you forgot. Like before.
Well, you better keep this watch then.
Wow! Thanks, Sean. This is so cool. I'll keep it forever and ever.
Let's go. Hey, wake your punk ass up for the 93 shots. Fucking mud.
Daniel keeps reading it again and again. I told him not to count on her. He won't.
The watch I
He
gave
doesn't
him.
care about it anymore. Still can't believe we ran into the guys again. Talk about fucking fate. Yep, I'm a real man now. Kind of.
Hey, bedhead. Had a good sleep?
Oh,
Hold
Hi,
on, get copyright.
yeah, I did. Thanks.
Nice. Okay. I better hit the shower before they use all the water.
Right. See you around.
Hey, Sean. Breakfast time.
That girl is even more of a sleepyhead than I am.
Just sit and draw.
Okay, got it.
Fucking mud, bruh.
I've looked enough. Time to draw now. Cool. I think I'm ready to draw this.
You already know I'm adding more details.
Pretty good. But I can add more details if I want.
Let's go. Drawing's fire. fucking
Yeah.
mutt.
Like you don't get pet enough around here.
Did you see all that fog earlier?
Creeps me out.
Pour something to drink.
What? You hear that?
I heard nothing, Penny.
Maybe it was the coffee brewing. Never mind. You can't hear? Only me.
I don't understand. Why?
How you miss all those insects? What the fuck? The swarm is coming.
Wait, do you mean cops? Like, coming to bust us?
Sean, them motherfuckers is gonna shut down all the farms. Make room for Big Pharma. You'll see. No way Big Boss can pay them off. It ain't gonna happen.
That would be shit for me and Anders to lose the job. The cash is good for us to travel.
So, then, where's your next pit stop?
We want to see all the cowboys in Austin. But we spent too much money so far. Traveling is expensive.
Depends how you travel. I mean, look at us. Cush gig. But not when they legalize that shit.
Then you can work legal on the farm, right?
Not if the government steps in. Then the pigs, pill pushers, all bad.
It's legal in Washington, and it's worked out okay. It's gonna be legal everywhere. Soon, anyway.
Legal but controlled. By who? The bitches who made it against the law. Hey, freedom.
I don't know. Things have to change. Oh, did anybody see Daniel? I haven't seen him this morning.
I saw him walking with Finn. They were headed to the lake.
Thanks, Ingrid. I better see what he's up to.
Tell him no swimming. That lake is toxic, man. Nasty.
Welcome to Cafe Diaz. Try my special morning brew.
Nice. I like that gourmet shit.
Yep. I'm up for some heavy barrel lifting
Yeah, it's
tonight.
too much fucking reading.
Yay.
Where from again?
Shoot, what's the date today?
Sweden.
Is
Malmö.
it the 15th
You wouldn't
or
hear about it.
16th?
A long fucking way to work. on
What's
the
up,
farm.
Jake?
Hey, Sean.
Yeah.
Not much.
Been working for 3
What do you got going on there?
This is a birthday card for my little sister. Don't
yeah.
laugh.
Good times.
Aw, that's cute. Where is she?
Oh, she's with my parents, of course.
Tuh.
Where else would a 9-year-old live?
All the real shit.
Oh, shoot, I mean, I didn't mean Daniel. I'm kind of jealous you get to hang out with your brother all the time.
This man
But
needs
I
help.
bet it's hard to be his brother and father figure.
That's my job now. Full-time Daniel Wrangler.
He's really lucky to have you. Hey, since you're such a pro big bro, what's a good way to end this letter? Goodbye sounds a bit lame, right?
Thinking of you?
I do think a lot about her.
I'm sure she does too.
I don't know. I'm afraid Sarah's a bit mad at me for leaving her. Anyway, thanks for your help, Sean. I gotta
Hey, you
finish this
welcome.
before I get ready for work. Don't want to be late or Big Joe will eat me for lunch.
You and me both. See you later, Jake.
Sean, thanks again, man.
No problem, my Nick.
Man, I would have killed for something like this back in that freezing house in Oregon.
Tuh. Like, you just go over young. I'm gonna go over young. Let's get it.
What the fuck, man? You're awesome. Come on, once again.
Yes! I fucking rule!
Holy shit! That was dope!
What's up, guys? Morning target practice?
6 bullseyes in a row. Kid is a fucking ninja. Hey, we didn't want to wake your sleepy ass up.
Yeah, thank you for that. You okay, Daniel?
Hey,
Seriously, I've never seen anyone throw like that.
Wow. Finn trained you well. 6 bull-sized dude.
yeah, I got better. Lucky.
You can't throw a baseball without hitting me in the nuts. How did you learn to aim so good?
Not true, liar. You're the one who sucks at baseball.
Yeah, right.
Hey, wow. What's up with you two? I should have let you know, but I'm watching him like a hawk. Seriously, much respect. He's like my own blood. And not that I'm as hot or cool as his big bro.
Yeah, no.
Yo, Sean, idea. I want to see if Daniel inherited family blade skills from you. How about a little demo?
It was my turn.
Come on, let's give the man a chance.
Okay. Yeah,
So let's go.
I'll take a shot.
Bullseye right here. Fuck.
Oh, Sean.
That shit is hard.
Hold your right arm. More like this. Better alignment. Better aim.
Won't really help.
Dude, what's wrong with you?
I got this.
Come on, sweetie, one more time. I know you can do it.
That's bullshit.
Ease in, Sean. That's the secret. Let's show kid what's what.
Oh, fuck that!
Miss, see, I rule.
Sorry, Sean. You're not a ninja. But you're still cool. Just ask your brother for help next time.
Yeah. What would I do without him?
Hey, don't look at me. It's not my fault if you can't throw.
Woo! After that workout, I need some more fucking Java.
Wait! Don't go yet.
It's all good, Daniel. We can practice later, if it's cool with Big Brother. Love you, man.
What now?
You think that shit is funny?
What shit?
Stop acting stupid. You're pushing it, Daniel. You made me miss. In front of Finn. What if he finds out, huh? What then?
I'm not stupid. He won't find out.
You don't know that. You're gonna get busted, Inanno. You need to listen to me.
Stop calling me that. I'm not a kid anymore.
Daniel, don't...
Why? See?
Stop, Daniel. Now.
Or what?
I said stop, Daniel.
Don't grab me! I'm sorry. I didn't mean to be that hard.
I'm okay. It's fine. I told you. You're good. But you don't have control over your powers yet.
Yeah, but we stopped training since we got here. You'd rather hang out with your new friends.
Well, because we need to fit in if we want to keep that job, okay? But you're right. Let's, do some training later today. Cool?
Yeah. Let's go by the lake again. Sean, how long are we gonna stay here? It's been like a month.
I know, but we need more money to get to Porto Lobos. Remember?
Porto Lobos.
It's gonna take forever. We should try and find Mom, since we have her letter now.
We already had this conversation. Sorry, Daniel, but we can't. We don't even know where Karen really is, and we can't risk getting caught while looking for her. She's one of the reasons we're out here. That's why we're going down to Mexico.
How come I never get to choose? I'm the one with the power.
I hear you. It's not fair, but you're my brother. And my responsibility. I have to take care of you.
I know, but I'm not gonna be a kid forever. Finn treats me like an adult. He understands. Uh-oh. Big Joe.
Hey, you don't wear your watch anymore?
What? Oh. Nah, I put this on instead. Finn gave it to me. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, pretty cool. Hey, Daniel, remember what I said. Low profile.
Yeah.
Okay, we're cool.
I don't
There we
like
go.
working on a farm.
I know, it could be way worse. We're making cash, Inanno.
Okay. Wish we could send Chris a present. Or something. Or maybe just check on him.
We will, Daniel, when we're safe and far away.
I know.
Then
I
where
had
the
fun
fuck's
at
the
hide and
car?
seek last night, especially in the dark.
You weren't scared at all? Come on.
Not with Finn. We had the best hiding spot.
Sit here, my man. I need a bodyguard like you.
Cool. Tell Sean to give me a knife.
Mind if I sit here?
Sure.
Why so serious?
Nothing. Just thinking.
Cool. I'm always worried about my city boy.
Everyone here? This isn't a fucking school bus. We're late.
Hey, little man.
So at this
You
point,
know
I'm
I
like,
already had to use
whatever,
my knife
dude, just
to fight.
give me more booze. You know?
Yeah.
I don't bullshit you. Some gutter punk jumped
You're not listening to anything I say.
so I cut his ass.
Are you?
Yeah.
What?
Jeez,
Yes,
my
I am.
Ha!
The party.
Too much sex, guys.
Are you
Way
okay?
too much sex.
That was
Two
fun.
fees in a pod, these ones.
I'll show you the battle scar.
It was so high
last night.
Is Sean jealous?
Cool.
No way.
You be
He's a big
careful
boy
with
now.
knives,
Better
though,
to get out of
okay?
his way.
Smart. Yeah, if you get too clingy, people run away. I know what I'm talking about.
Who's the knife master here?
Did you lock the tent?
Du är den sista personen där.
Wrong.
How do you feel?
Went back for the lighter.
Who knew this little tree market snowflake would end up here?
Helvete, jag trodde du skulle
With us misfits.
All good. Just hope I won't turn into a dirty hippie and hang around too long.
You better stop talking to me then. I'm the most contagious.
Please, don't hurt.
Too late. Guess I'll take a chance.
Hey, how about you shut the fuck up back there? I can't hear my music.
Guess what? He was on his secret saxophone again this morning. Speaking Romanian and shit.
Oh no. Here it comes.
He's Agent 420. And he has a license to cook.
What's that?
Told you 1,000 times, Big Joe is a clone. They come from a factory in Silicon Valley.
Maybe he's just the factory reject.
Bigfoot. Think about it. Big Joe, Bigfoot.
Whoa, you might be onto something. They both smell.
Stinky? Big Joe.
Shit, you're all in love with Big Joe. You can't stop talking about him, I swear.
But his ass is too big.
Right on.
Come on.
Yep. He's kind of a mystery.
Hey, pipe down back there. Enjoy the scenery for a change, for fuck's sake.
That was funny.
So tired.
Yeah, me too.
Let's try to go to bed early tonight, okay?
Yes, please. And no weed.
Alright, who's ready for another great day at the office?
Shut up.
Somebody doesn't want to be employee of the month.
I'm so fucking tired.
Stop your bitching or get out of here.
Hey!
Jeez.
You have to intervene.
Hey, come on. That's not cool.
Are you really shit-talking me, Cheech? Huh?
Forget it, Sean. Seriously. We're late. Hey, you're gonna get us kicked out of here.
Well, I just wanted to.
What? Be a white knight? I can take care of myself, Sean.
That guy would have beat you down.
My nigga Finn.
Oh, thanks for coming. I'm not your way, right?
No, we're sorry. We just...
You don't get paid to be late. Next time you won't be. Listen up. I need 2 teams today. Finn, Penny, Anders, and what's your name will clean up the mess from the storm. The rest of you get to sit and trim.
Like I want to go pick up a bunch of shit all over the camp.
Hey, you want to trade places?
Shut up, Daniel.
You got a deal, kid.
Yeah! I get to go outside.
Hey! You guys still don't get it. This is work, not a goddamn summer camp. You're not special. There are dozens of hippies like yourselves begging for work at the next town. Kid, your dad should teach you to shut your mouth. Finn, you better watch your guys.
Of course, boss. No problem.
Okay, so move it.
Yeah, you heard the man. Stop fucking around and get in your teams, all right?
Hold up. You and me are gonna talk.
Fuck you
Remember,
looking at?
I'm only letting you and your brother work here because Finn put in a good word.
I know. We really appreciate it. Thanks.
Yeah, no ass kissing, please. Just watch out. Next time your brother fucks up, you're both gone ASAP. Look, I'm not trying to bust your balls, but this is a pot farm and he's a fucking kid. You hear me?
Totally. Thank you again.
Didn't you hear me? I don't speak kiss ass.
Sorry, I'll keep him out of the way.
You better. This business has enough shit already.
Right. I'm gonna go check on him then.
How old is he anyway?
Oh, 9. He's 9 years old.
Jeez, tough age. Gotta keep a close eye on them.
Not my business, but... You got kids?
Yeah, a daughter. 12 years old.
Do you get to see her?
Not often, but she needs the money I get out here. Okay, I'm not your buddy. Get the fuck out of here. You got a lot of work to do today.
All right. Thank you.
Hey. You okay?
Now for the fun part. I need this all done by tonight. No excuses.
Damn,
So,
tonight?
Get on it. All right, we good?
Finn is playing boss with his crew. I told him they'd all work late if they didn't finish on time.
I hope so. Okay, I gotta make some calls.
Well, what are you waiting for? You know the drill.
What?
Dude, this sucks ass. I feel like I'm in prison.
I hear you, but we're not. This is just our job, man. We have to follow Meryl's rules. For now. Especially you.
What do you mean?
He's not into having kids around here. So don't give him any excuse to get pissed off.
Yeah, you never know with Meryl. He can be cool, but scary when he loses his shit.
Okay, jeez. I'm not doing anything bad.
Look, I know you guys are having the time of your life here, but I'm not. So shut your mouth and give me some quiet, for fuck's sake, okay?
Well, why do you stick around then?
None of your damn business. But I'd be long gone if I had the chance. Trust me.
Just cut these fucking. There you go.
Man, look at all these buds.
Oh, this is nothing. Last spring we were trimming about 2 or 3 pounds a day.
Whoa, that's a lot.
Yep. Had to work overnight all the time. 15 hours straight once.
There you go.
Yeah, trying to forget. I was done with Kush after that.
Whoa, we are lucky.
Right, and then your arms fall off. Fuck all that. You get any reception, Big Joe?
This place is a cell killer.
Of course.
Start cleaning the damn scissors.
Ouch! Shit.
Ooh, you okay, sweetie?
It's okay. You're doing fine. Just slow down if you need to.
I know. I will. Thanks, Sean.
My ass hurts. Fuck, this is really boring.
Oh, poor baby. That's the job. Don't think, just work.
Okay, just don't ask me to smile for the camera all day long.
Feels like working in a factory. Imagine doing this for years.
See? Sean agrees with me.
As always.
This is fun at first, but it does start to get old after a while.
How about stop bitching so much? Sean, you're already on Meryl's shit list. Don't get us all kicked out of here. Just sit and trim.
Damn,
Clean
Sean.
these off.
We really need to do something about your hair.
What? What's wrong with my hair?
Are you kidding me? It's hiding your pretty face. I can't allow that.
Come on. It's not that bad.
Just a mess, yes. But worry not. We've got everything to take care of it at the camp.
Yeah. We'll see.
Teddy. Meryl here. Sure.
Yeah, I mean trims
But
on that
for
bitch.
real, though, if you could snap your fingers and go
What's
anywhere.
this?
Cassidy, we get it. Over and over.
Hey, come on.
You don't want to be here.
Give me a break. I can't.
So what?
So I'm allowed to dream a little? You won't get hurt. Promise. What about Louisiana? Must be so sweet this time of year.
Jesus. Okay, man. Calm down.
I'd love to visit New Orleans.
Yep. Check out the voodoo shops and the blues band.
That would be cool.
No,
Bitch. Nobody's making you babies work here. You guys are all the same. Cool, let's be trimmigrants. Then you barely work for a month. This is my life.
come here for a sec.
Shit. It's always something.
Damn. Can you folks put a lid on it? We got shit to do here.
Whoa. Down.
Easy for you to say, cowgirl. Some of us have to work.
Please. I bust my ass like everybody else.
Uh-huh. Don't even. You're always looking for an excuse.
Ooh, it's 420. Hey, Sean, let's talk. Ow, my arm hurts.
Wah.
Get off my crack, Hannah. We've been stuck out here for 2 months. I didn't come out to California to live on a fucking farm. I want to see some water. Are we gonna squat out here forever? Build a house? What?
Stop!
Gotta be more focused.
You know we voted to stay for a while. Once it's legal, we ain't got no more job here.
How's it going? Same as always. They want everything by tomorrow.
Friday? How are we supposed to...
I'm just over this place.
Then go! Take the fuck off. If we're a family, we stick together. You're on the bus, we're off the bus.
Hey, everybody chill. Let's not get...
Sean, step back. This is our business. Just grow up, Cassidy. Stop acting like a princess.
Thanks, Mom. Anything else?
Yeah. But we don't have the time.
Did you fall out of the wrong side of the tent or what?
That's not
Shit.
my problem, Joseph.
You're clueless.
You know the drill. Do your work. Yeah, sure.
Fuck this shit.
Hannah, sorry.
I know. Hey, I don't want to fight. It's been a long, crappy week.
Just keep it fucking down in here, okay?
Cheer up, my little Sean. Trust me, it's not as bad as you think. Other farms in the area just straight down exploit your ass. Look at these baby soft hands.
Trimming sucks. At least I didn't cut myself again today.
Oh, you'll get scars, but you'll get it. Part of the fun. Ain't sexier.
It's different.
Later, Big Joe. Smile, asshole. So, did you have a good day at work, honey?
Actually, kind of fun. Cass and Hannah cracked me up. They're like sisters.
Yeah. They love to start shit with each other. Then get high. Short-term memory loss.
How was your day? Did you have fun outside?
Nope. Picked up branches and shit. Got covered in mud. Would not recommend.
Still sounds better than sitting on your ass all day.
I feel you, Sean. As always. That's why you're such a good fit for the family.
You totally hooked us up. A job, cash, friends, safety.
Sean, everybody's cool with you two. Daniel is your secret weapon.
I don't know. He's way too young for this bullshit.
You gotta be zen about this. The more you try and control him, the less you have. It's deep, huh? Swear, he acts just like me. That's how I know he's smart. He's also got a kick-ass hermano. My brothers are like that.
Maybe. But he doesn't listen to me anymore.
Don't worry. You're in your new group. He's trying to fit in on his own. Bet you're doing it too. Mm-hmm. Be your own person. Not just Daniel's big brother.
Sure. But I try to be both, you know?
You're a good guy, Sean Diaz. You just need to trust yourself more. I know. Losing your family is tough. But the world is yours to create a new one.
Speaking
You know
that
what I
game.
mean?
Yeah. I was pretty sheltered growing up. But now, I'm starting to totally love seeing the world.
Well, going to Mexico is the ultimate road trip.
If we make it there, dude, who knows? It's pretty scary. So fucking far.
Hey, it is. You have time and a strong, damn it, will. Yeah, nothing can stop you from going there. It will be all right, Sean. Don't worry. Okay. Therapy's over.
Oh, yeah. I gotta move those water tanks for the shower and stuff.
It's cool. You're doing your part, Sean.
Finally. Glad I can help.
I'm gonna end the video right there. Hope y'all like, enjoy, subscribe. Hey, I'm gonna give y'all the next part. I'm out. Peace.